To set up an Android player with Yodeck, you will need a device that runs the Android software, and the supported system must be Android 5 or above. I will show you how to set up an Android player on a tablet. Go to the Google Play Store and download the Yodeck app. Or alternatively, open your web browser and search yodeck.link/Android. This will download the Yodeck APK. Then open the APK and install it. You will now have a Signage OS app on your tablet. Open the app and you will see your registration code. To register your new device to your Yodeck account, log in and go to the Screens tab. Add a new screen and select the Android option. Give your new screen a name, then add the registration code here. Assign the content you want to show on screen, then click Save. Soon your Android player will be registered to your Yodeck account and will start displaying your content.